I can't believe I did so much to this unit. I put so many parts in this thing, it's not even funny. First of all, I had to get me a new grill. I had to transfer this part to this grill. It's a used grill. I got a new thermostat. I put a new knob on it. You know, I put a hard start kit on it. I can't believe I did so much to this unit. I hope the compressor turns on. We'll see. Turn the thermostat down and turn on low cool. Okay, that's a good sign. The fan is running. Compressor, please, compressor, turn on. It sounds horrible, but it's working. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. It turned on instantly. There's no humming or anything. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, that sounds horrible, but yep, it's working. It is working.